जमिनी हातासपाच्या प्रकरणाच्या चौकशे खातीर सरकारान आयोग नेमला। आयोगाचेर निवृत्त न्यायाधीश न्यायमूर्ती व्ही.के. जाधव हांची नेमणूक केल्या। 4 म्हयन्यांनी ते आपले अहवाल सरकाराक दितले। आयोगाक स्वतंत्रपणान काम करपा खातीर कार्यालय कर्मचारी दिवपाचे मुखेलमंत्र्यान उलोवन दाखयला।
That is under the Commission of the Inquiries Act 1952. In this regard, we have appointed Justice V.K. Jadhav, the former judge of the High Court of the Mumbai, as we have appointed as the Commissioner of the Inquiry in this case. His terms of reference is to inquire and fix the responsibility in all cases of grabbing of the private and any other land in the state of Goa, and to find out the involvement of the government officers and any other public functionaries and the private individuals in such land grabbing. To inquire and find out the loopholes, deficiencies, lacuna, negligence in the administrative systems and legal framework which led to the such large-scale land grabbing. SIT कडल्यो सगळ्यो आशिल्ल्यो केसीसान ज्या ज्या जाग्याचेर आमी म्हणटा फुडल्या लँडाच्या बाबतीत कितें इन्क्वायरी करपाक जाय हाच्या संदर्भातल्यो सगळ्यो गजाली ज्यो आसा ह्यो कमिशनर ऑफ द इन्क्वायरीज हाच्या कडेन वयतल्यो। There are so many cases which are registered under the SIT. It is approximately the 111 cases have registered. Till now, the 93 properties under the SIT we have received the complaints, and altogether 15 people were arrested. Means altogether these persons are the private persons. One or two persons they are the government servant also we have arrested. आता वेगवेगळे कंप्लेनी आहा तेजेर आताच्या आयच्या डेटीत आमी हे सांगू शकना की अमक्योच कमुदाद लँडीचेर आसा, अमक्योच गव्हर्नमेंट लँडाचेर आसा, अमक्योच प्रायव्हेट लँडाचेर आसा, हे आयच्या घडीक सांगू शकना। ज्यो आसा ह्यो व्हेरीफाय करप तेजेर इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन सगळी सुरू आसा।